Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an age restriction on Google survey forms using the built-in response validation feature. This is useful for recruitment forms, registrations, surveys, or any form where only a certain age group should be allowed to submit responses. The good news is you don't need any coding skills or extra tools to make this work. Everything can be done directly inside Google Forms in just a few simple steps. So let's jump right in. First, open Google Forms and go to the form where you want to apply the age restriction. You can either create a new form or edit an existing one. Once the form is open, add a question asking users for their age. Now make sure the question type is set to short answer. This is very important because response validation only works properly with short answer fields when you want users to enter numbers. Next, click on the three-dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the question box. From the menu that appears, select Response Validation. Once you enable it, you'll see additional settings appear underneath the question. Now, set the validation type to number. After that, choose the condition that matches your requirement. For example, you can choose greater than or equal to, or between, depending on the type of age restriction you want to apply. If your form is meant only for adults, you can simply set the minimum age to 18. That means anyone entering an age below 18 won't be allowed to submit the form. You can also use the between option if you only want a specific age range. For example, if you're creating a recruitment form, you might allow only users between 18 and 35 years old. Anyone outside that range will automatically fail the validation. Another important thing you should do is add a custom error message. Instead of showing a generic warning, type something clear like, "You must be 18 or older to submit this form." This helps users understand exactly why their response was rejected. It's also a good idea to remind users to enter numbers only. Sometimes people type words instead of numeric values, especially on mobile devices, so clear instructions can help avoid confusion. Once you finish setting everything up, test the form before sharing it publicly. Try entering different age values to make sure the restriction works correctly. For example, enter 15 and confirm the form blocks the response. Then try entering 18 or above and make sure the form accepts it properly. You should also preview the form using the preview icon at the top right corner of Google Forms. This allows you to see exactly how the form looks to users and helps you double-check your validation settings. And that's it. As you can see, adding an age restriction to Google Forms is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes. It's a great way to make your forms more accurate and ensure only the right audience can submit responses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.